Ever wondered how to supercharge your smoothies? How to pack them with a variety of nutrients that support your body's health, energy levels, and overall well-being? Welcome to NutriTide, the place where health meets taste. Today, we're diving into the world of supercharged smoothies and sharing 3 incredible recipes that will transform your smoothie game into a nutrient powerhouse. First up, we have the Green Goddess. This smoothie is not only vibrant in color but also in flavor and nutrients. Start with 1 cup of fresh spinach, great for your blood and bones thanks to iron and vitamin K. Add half a ripe avocado for smoothness and fats that are good for your heart. Toss in a small ripe banana for natural sweetness and a dose of potassium. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds for a protein punch. They're also great for keeping you full. Pour in a cup of unsweetened almond milk for a creamy, dairy-free base. Blend until smooth, and there you have it, a Green Goddess smoothie that's as delicious as it is good for you. Next, let's make the berry blast. Begin with a cup of mixed berries, your body's best friend for fighting off illnesses thanks to their antioxidants. Add half a ripe banana for a touch of sweetness and some potassium. Include a tablespoon of flax seeds, which are full of omega-3 fatty acids to keep your heart happy and your brain sharp. Throw in a handful of baby spinach for an extra nutrient boost, more goodness for your blood and bones. Finish with a cup of coconut water for hydration and a tropical flair. Blend it all together, and you've got a berry blast that's sure to start your day off on the right foot. Finally, we present the Protein Powerhouse, perfect for post-workout recovery or a filling breakfast. Start with 1 cup of Greek yogurt, which not only helps rebuild your muscles with its high protein content, but also keeps your gut healthy with probiotics. Add a small ripe banana for sweetness and potassium. Include a tablespoon of almond butter for more protein and healthy fats that keep you feeling full longer. Sprinkle in a scoop of your favorite protein powder to amplify the protein content even further. Last but not least, add a cup of unsweetened almond milk for a smooth, creamy base. Blend it up, and there you have it, a protein powerhouse smoothie to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. In summary, the key to supercharging your smoothies is incorporating a balance of nutrients. Fruits for natural sweetness and vitamins, leafy greens for fiber and minerals, seeds or nuts for protein and healthy fats, and a liquid base to bring it all together. With these 3 recipes, the Green Goddess, the Berry Blast, and the Protein Powerhouse, you're well on your way to creating smoothies that are not only delicious, but also packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Remember, the beauty of smoothies lies in their versatility. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients, keeping in mind the balance of nutrients. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining us at NutriTide. Be sure to subscribe for more healthful and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy blending!